How to communicate with AWS S3 using Python. Here the use case is we want to copy a file from local to AWS S3. Local, what I mean is an EC2 instance, a Windows PC or any of the Unix environment. So the library that we are using here is Boto3. So what is Boto3? Boto3 is an AWS Amazon Web Service SDK for Python. It enables us to use the Python developers can create, configure and manage AWS service like AWS S3, EC2 instance, SCS or SNS. Boto3 provides an easy to use object-oriented API as well as a low-level access to AWS service. So to connect to AWS S3, what are things that we need to know? We should know AWS access key ID and AWS secret access key. Boto3 offers two distinct ways of accessing these abstract API. One is the client and one is the resource. Client is a low-level service access and resource is the high-level object-oriented service access. Here in this module we are going to use client. So before going, I will show you a sample AWS access key. This I kept as a file in a JSON format. So always avoid using the AWS credential directly in the code. That's the reason I am keeping is a JSON file and then calling from this module. So let us go to the program. This is my AWS console which I am going to copy the file. So I have the bucket as tech blog 1 and in that upload path is there. Right now we don't see any file. So I have a blank file. It's a Python file. So the first thing that we need to have, we should import the Boto3. Next, for reading the key file, I want a JSON. Now, I want to read the key. So I'm going to key the key parameters. Key file is the s3 keys.json. So it will be something similar to like this one. Now I'm going to open this key. JSON key file is going to open key file which is mentioned above and in the read mode. Next one, I want to read this file in a JSON format. So s3 key is json.loads which will read in a dictionary format key file dot read. So we will have this s3 access key and secret key as well as access key in this s3 key. Now I am going to get these both. So access key ID is s3, so we will get the access key ID here, this one, and the next one will be a secret key ID. Next one, as I mentioned in the doc, we need to have a client, that is lower level service. So S3 client is equal to Boto3 dot client. This is a syntax and we have to give which service that we are going to use, that is S3 service, and access key ID with this value here as well as secret access key. Now we will get S3 client. The next one is we have to mention where our local file is located, with the file that we want to copy. So I have given this is the file I have to copy to an S3 bucket. We should mention which bucket we want to copy. The S3 file, that this is the file name that will be in the S3 folder. The same file name, the text file name, I am giving the same file in the S3 path. Next, we have to use this S3 client to upload a file. S3 client dot upload file, local file name, that is a local file name from where I have to take what is the S3 bucket and S3 file. Now I am going to run this module. So it ran successfully. Now I can show you where the file path from the AWS console. I'm going to refresh this. So you can see the file has generated. Next I am going to delete the file, the same file which is uploaded in upload path testfile.jpg. For this, the client have a delete object option, S3 client delete object, that is with bucket name is S3 bucket and key file. So this it will take this file from and this key and will delete the file. So the process completed. I will show from the AWS console whether the file is exist or not. I am going to refresh this. So the file is deleted from this location. Yeah, these are the basic functions that we can do in AWS S3 using Python.